In the world of precision manufacturing, choosing an efficient and reliable production line is crucial. BAOD EXTRUSION's LDPE/HDPE/PP precision tube extrusion production line is designed specifically for producing various precision pipes, perfectly adapting to diverse needs. Whether it's cosmetic nozzles, bath product straws, porous filter pipes, protective tubes, lollipops, pen holders, ballpoint pen refills, or beverage straws, we provide ideal solutions. Our production line is equipped with a specially designed high-pressure volumetric die head and coupled with a melt pump, ensuring that materials are extruded precisely at high speed and stably, guaranteeing perfect quality and consistency for every pipe. Using SUS 304 stainless steel, fully enclosed vacuum sizing tanks, our production line provides a precise forming environment for pipes. The vacuum control system has a precision of ++1 kilopascal, ensuring that each pipe's diameter remains consistent. The spiral lift device for the tank offers flexible 3D adjustment, making it easy to operate. Coupled with a stainless steel water storage tank and centrifugal pump, a water loop system is formed with external cold water supply to maintain a stable production environment. With the bidirectional high-speed scanning laser diameter measurement system, we monitor the pipe's diameter and ovality in real time, automatically making adjustments to ensure each pipe meets strict precision requirements, further enhancing production efficiency and product quality. The high-precision puller uses imported multi-layer wear-resistant traction belts, combined with high-precision roller traction systems and dual-servo direct drive, ensuring smooth and consistent traction of the pipes. Whether it's high-speed production or special pipe traction requirements, our production line can respond accurately, ensuring the precise traction of each pipe. Our cutting machine features a low-inertia aluminum alloy rotating arm structure, paired with an accurate locking device to ensure every cut is smooth and even. Equipped with a servo drive system, we provide high-speed and precise cutting control. Whether it's continuous cutting, timed cutting, or length-based cutting, you can flexibly choose according to production needs with automatic length and count tracking. Easy to operate, precise and reliable. BAOD Extrusion's precision small-diameter pipe extrusion production line features high automation, with each step of the production process monitored and adjusted in real time through advanced control systems, ensuring efficient and stable production. BAOD Extrusion LDPE/HDPE/PP precision small-diameter pipe extrusion production line, with its outstanding design and stable performance, helps you gain a competitive edge in precision manufacturing, achieving efficient and high-quality production goals. Choose BAOD Extrusion, choose quality and innovation. For more information, feel free to contact us.